Hey guys, this is Abby Jacobs and I'm back again with another video. Now in this particular video, I want to show you guys a way in which you guys can make an extra money from your From your NGN on Binance. Now I made a previous video about you using your NGN to get USDT on Binance, and then you go on to sell it at the P2P market. Now the same way we made that video is the same way we want to do today. However, we only want to make use of our Naira only. We are not buying any crypto, we are not buying any USDT, we are not buying any Bitcoin. We are only making use of our Naira to get our extra profit. Now this idea only works as long as we are able to successfully deposit Naira into our Binance account. And right now I'm going to show you guys a way in which you can deposit your Naira on Binance in a direct deposit method that we call Cashlink. Now, once you've gotten your Binance app, you register it, you make sure you verify it. Always verify all your cryptocurrency exchange before you use them. Now, once you've been able to successfully verify your Binance, all you have to go is to you go to your wallet section. Now, this is the main interface of the Binance app. Now, go to your wallet section. Once you are on your wallet section, all you have to do is search for your search for your local currency, which is the Nigerian Naira. Now you make use of this search tool and you look for your Nigerian Naira, and you will get to see your Nigerian Naira there as NGN. You can actually trade your local currency, whichever country you are from. You can actually trade it like a normal cryptocurrency here on Binance. And Binance has been listing some pairs directly with the Naira, and in the future I'm hoping for them to list more that we can also pair directly with the Naira, which will allow us to get stuff without really like you needing the USDT. So there's a way that I trade without making use of the USDT with just my Naira only. Now, once you've been able to search for your Nigerian Naira, which is your NGN, all you have to do is go to deposit. Now you click on your Nigerian Naira, and you click on the next you click on the next thing, which is your deposit. Now this method I'm about to show you, I'm also going to tell you some complications that are behind it, and to also tell you some things that you have to know as well, and how you can later maximize this opportunity should this method later work out for you. Now let's click on deposit. This is it, guys. This is the next interface that you are going to see after you click on that deposit option. You will get to see Nigerian Naira. You select Nigerian Naira, and it's gonna be bank transfer, which is also like Cashlink. So the first method, or the direct deposit method, is called Cashlink. So that's the first way in which you can deposit your Naira on Binance, and then you can use it to trade on Binance. Now, however, this method, it has a clash. And the clash in there is that this method, to be honest, to be sincere, I've tried to use it several times, but the thing is that it only works once in a while. And let me show you the reason why it only works once in a while, and you guys can also better understand the complications that are behind this opportunity. So this is it, guys, and to run this idea we'll be going with an initial capital of 50,000 Naira. Now what is wrong with this particular deposit option is that it doesn't really work all the time. Though the Cashlink was working very well before, but right now it seems the company that is running the Cashlink services is undergoing some turbulence, because based on my research I read some things about the company being shutting down or something whatsoever. However, I've been able to deposit into my Binance account by making use of this method. So the complication with this is that it doesn't work all the time. it doesn't work all the time. It only works sometimes. So if you are lucky, you can deposit your money via this method. And sometimes the only amount that works sometimes is just 1,000 naira. So that's the complication behind this deposit method. However, if you are able to successfully deposit your naira with this method, if you are lucky, you can run it you can use it to run this particular opportunity. So that's the first way you can deposit on Binance by making use of this direct deposit, which is your Cashlink. Now if I were to press continue, it can bring an option for me that there's no merchant available for that particular amount that I imputed, or it can actually load. Then I can go on to interact with the merchant and pay the merchant. So that's the only complications. It only works once in a while. However, if it works for you and you are lucky to be able to deposit, you can be able to run this particular opportunity. Now let's move over to the opportunity. Let's move over to the P2P market. Here on the NGN market, let me change my amount to 50,000. So this is it, guys. Now like I said before, the payment method that we want to use only works once in a while. So if you are super lucky, or you are able to successfully deposit your naira into the Binance app, then you can run by this opportunity. So this opportunity is simple. All you have to do is deposit via Cashlink, and then you come to the P2P market to just sell off your naira. Now the merchant before is taking a 200 naira merchant fee, and we'll be getting 49,800 now. Now let's say our naira to this particular merchant, which is called digital funding. Now if I click on this merchant and I want to sell my naira to him, 49,000, okay, 800. So as you guys can see, you'll be making an extra profit of what? An extra profit of 51,294 naira. You'll be making an extra profit of 51,294 naira. Now, if you are able to do this successfully 10 times in a day, you'll be making an extra profit of 12,940 naira. If you are able to do this successfully in 1 week, you'll be making 90,000 naira. And if you are able to do this successfully in 1 month, you'll be making 362,000 naira. So this is a good way for you to earn money on Binance by making use of just your Nigerian naira. You're not buying any crypto. However, the catch there is that your deposit method can only work once in a while, or sometimes you can only deposit as low as 1,000, 2,000 sometimes. But however, if it works for you and you're able to successfully deposit, please run by this particular opportunity now while it lasts. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join the link in the description to have access to my crypto updates, to my sports trading signals, to my arbitrage signals, and join our Telegram group for our forex trading signals as well. We've started dropping signals, and so far we've been killing it on the signal group. Thank you.